Are you ready to unlock the secrets to maximizing your Social Security retirement benefits? In this video, we're diving into the strategies that can help you get the most out of your hard-earned benefits. Whether you're nearing retirement or just planning ahead, stick around. These tips could mean thousands more in your pocket. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos on retirement and financial planning. Let's start with the basics. Social Security retirement benefits are a key part of many Americans' retirement plans. They provide a reliable income stream to help with essentials like housing, healthcare, and even a little fun in your golden years. But here's the catch. How and when you claim your benefits can make a huge difference in what you receive. Let's break down the top strategies to maximize them. First up, when should you start claiming? You can begin as early as age 62, but that reduces your monthly benefit. Waiting until your full retirement age, or even better, age 70, boosts it significantly. For example, if your full retirement age is 66 and your benefit would be $2,000 a month, claiming at 62 drops it to around $1,500. Delay until 70, and it could jump to $2,640. That's over $1,000 more per month. Timing depends on your health and finances, so plan wisely. Next, let's talk about working while claiming benefits. If you claim before your full retirement age and keep earning, the earnings test kicks in. In 2023, if you're under full retirement age and earn over $19,560, Social Security deducts $1 from your benefits for every $2 you earn above that. Say you earn $25,000, your benefits would drop by $2,720 that year. But don't panic. After you hit full retirement age, you can earn unlimited income without reductions, and your benefits get adjusted later. If you're married, teamwork can pay off big. Coordinate with your spouse to maximize your combined benefits. One of you could claim early while the other delays, letting their benefit grow. Plus, you might qualify for spousal benefits based on your partner's record up to 50% of their amount. If you were born before January 2, 1954, you could even claim spousal benefits now and delay your own until 70 for a bigger payout. Taxes are another factor. Depending on your income, up to 85% of your benefits could be taxable. Your combined income, adjusted gross income, non-taxable interest, plus half your benefits determines this. If it's over $34,000 for singles or $44,000 for couples, taxes may apply. Knowing this helps you plan your retirement income smarter. Last tip, check your Social Security statement regularly. It's your roadmap to estimated benefits and earnings history. Mistakes happen, and errors in your record could shrink your payout. Spot something off, contact the Social Security Administration ASAP to fix it. There you have it, 5 powerful strategies to maximize your Social Security retirement benefits. Time your claim, manage work income, coordinate with your spouse, understand taxes, and double-check your statement. With a little planning, you can boost your retirement income significantly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, share it with friends, and let us know your questions in the comments. Start planning today. Your future self will thank you.